Polishing is made easy with the ARP-B and AROP-B cordless polishers. With a brushless motor, lightweight and ergonomic design, these polishers are reliable and comfortable to use. The ARP-B and AROP-B polishers have a variable speed trigger, so you can adjust the speed without stopping. The 10.8-volt Li-ion intelligent battery allows you to monitor the capacity for optimal use. So with 2 batteries on hand, there is no downtime. So what is the difference between the ARP-B and the AROP-B? The ARP-B is a cordless rotary polisher, whereas the Mirka ARP-B is a random orbital cordless polisher with a 12mm orbit. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can use the Mirka app to monitor vibration, manage the RPM and runtime. These 2 clever polishers are ideal for professionals who appreciate the freedom of movement and low maintenance of a cordless polisher.